Is your Ford Transit Connect key fob not working reliably? The most likely culprit is a dead or dying CR2032 battery. The Ford Transit Connect for 2019 through 2024 models uses a standard key fob design. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, which is widely available for just $3 to $5. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to pry open the fob. First, use the screwdriver or coin to gently pry open the fob's seam. Be careful not to damage the plastic. Note the orientation of the old battery. The positive side with the plus symbol should be facing the correct direction. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing the correct direction. Avoid touching the circuit board to prevent static electricity damage. Snap the fob back together by pressing the two halves firmly until they click into place. Finally, test the fob by pressing the buttons while near your vehicle. If it doesn't work, double-check that the battery is oriented correctly. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, ensure the battery is installed correctly with the positive side up, and check that the fob is clean and dry. Ford models typically auto-sync, but if you see a key not recognized error, you may need dealer reprogramming. To extend battery life, avoid storing the fob near electronic devices and check the battery every 6 to 12 months. Consider upgrading to a CR2450 battery if compatible, but prioritize the recommended CR2032 for reliability. For step-by-step tutorials, check the FordPass app or Ford's website. Remember to dispose of old batteries responsibly to protect the environment.